Yeah, before I forgot, before I'm leaving, I almost forgot. But of course, I'm not. It will not be happy that I'm going to forget that this Cookie the kangaroo, Cookie the kangaroo dog is very in love with the bread. Yeah, you know what this is? You know what this is? Oh, you know what this is? You know what is this? This is means a lot to her. This thing is everything to her. Look at that. Look at that face. Look at that face. She's mouth-watering now. She's going crazy. She's going wild. Yeah. She can't wait. Yeah. Oh, you see that? She's so excited. Oh yeah, of course, of course. Yes, of course. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yes, I know you like this very much. No need to tell me. No need to tell me that. Yes. Cookie is getting wild now. Cookie is getting wild. Cookie is getting crazy. She can't wait now. Yeah. Okay, sit down. Behave properly. Yeah, very good. Behave properly so that behave properly so that I will give you this bread. Right? 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 You like this bread? You like this bread? Right? Up, 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 up. Be gentle. Alright. Yeah. She's getting peace. Oh. What did you do? What are you doing? You know, guys, I'm going to explain. The dog have the ability and the instinct to. They have the ability and instinct to collect first all the foods before they're going to eat that all. Yes, and that's Cookie. That is what Cookie behave. That's what the behavior of Cookie. That's her trait. Okay. Okay, look at that. So before she going to eat that bread, she have to collect it first all. Huh? Alright, this Cookie is very cute. Actually, Cookie is very cute. I love feeding dogs, most especially Cookie. Cookie is very special to me. Okay, you eat that. Yes, Cookie, are you happy, Cookie? Tell them. You say thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, look at that. Cookie is a very grateful human. No, she's not human. I forgot she's a dog. Yeah. Cookie is a grateful creature. Okay? Say thank you. Say thank you to me. Say thank you to the viewers. Say thank you to them. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Oh, see that? You say? Terima kasih. Oh. She's grateful. She's grateful now. She's grateful. So she said, terima kasih. Terima kasih. Salamat. Terima kasih. Bye-bye. I have to say bye-bye. Thank you for visiting, Cookie. Okay. But wait. There's more. Of course. Yeah. Did your dogs, hey, shout out, hey, to all the viewers here, did your dogs, guys, love to eat bread? Because this kangaroo look like dog named Cookie is dead. Yeah, I mean she did like very much. Oh. Alright. Say thank you. Say thank you to the viewers. Say thank you. Even if she's full, even if she's already, even if she's not hungry, hungry. As long as she will see bread, she will get crazy. She will get wild. So her favorite food is bread. Yeah, I have to see. Bye bye. Bye bye. Appear, appear. Shake hands. Shake hands. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Say bye bye. Oh, look at that. Huh? Bye bye, Cookie. Adios, 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 mi amigos. Mi amigas.